Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are going for tubing. This is our family day. And yan, papunta na kami sa site. Nag-order muna kami ng coffee para on the way. Meron kaming iniinom dahil super aga nito. This is around 7:30. And this is a Saturday, so mahirap para sa amin gumising ng Saturday, kaya kailangan namin ng booster. Dumaan talaga kami, and si Kevin tulog pa. Nakatulog kasi nga sobrang aga namin gumising para lang makarating sa pupuntahan namin. Well, dun nga pala kami pupunta sa Chico P Ski Resort, Chico P Tubing resort in Kitchener, Ontario, which is like an hour from our place. Hindi siya ganun kalayo, pero ayun nga, medyo maaga talaga kasi maaga yung nakuha namin ticket. 9 o'clock ang start, 9 to 10:30. Kaya eto, travel ng maaga. Marami pa ring snow kasi nag-snowstorm. And maganda nga mag-ski ngayon, ski and tubing ngayon, kasi for the past years wala kami masyadong snow, pero this year ayan, nakakuha kami ng maraming snow. At hindi pa tapos, nag-snow pa rin, which is February, mag-end of February na. Pero anyways, enjoy naman ng mga Canadian kapag ganitong maraming snow. And siya nga pala guys, salamat pala sa pag-watch ninyo sa akin. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please paki-subscribe naman. Thank you. And sana ma-enjoy nyo yung family life namin dito sa Canada. Ayan ang aming driver, si Dennis. Ang aking napakagwapong fiancé. Medyo serious siya kasi super aga nga. Maaga siyang nagising. Pero happy naman siya. Yun lang, nagko-concentrate lang siya sa GPS kasi you know what? Ayaw niya nang nakakalampas siya. Kaya pagbigyan na natin. Ayan nga, tignan nyo, napakaraming snow. Ang taas-taas pa rin. Sabi nga ng government, dahil sa dami ng snow, baka 2 to 3 weeks yung paglilinis nila. Kaya ito, dealing kami sa snow, dahan-dahan mag-drive. Pero, alam na, better safe than sorry. Ayan, enjoy muna kayo guys ha. Watch kayo dyan. At ayan na nga guys, naka-exit na kami sa highway. And ito na yung exit papunta sa site. Nasa Kitchener na kami. This is Kitchener, Ontario, and medyo mataas din ang snow nila dito. And sabi nga today may forecast ng snow again, pero hopefully sana matapos ng mga bata yung yung tubing bago bumagsak yung snow para ma-enjoy naman nila. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng bridge na to. Talagang covered siya ng snow, puting-puti. And ayan, tignan nyo, oh, 'di ba ang ganda? Kasya naman ng dalawang car. Dahan-dahan ka nga lang. Ayan, nandito na kami sa countryside. Konti na lang at mararating na namin ang site. Umabot din kami ng 1 hour, which is medyo malayo kumpara dahil sa morning kami umalis. Which is walang traffic, walang masyadong sasakyan. And yung 1 hour na yun, straight yun, dire-diretso yung drive. Ayan, malapit na kami. Ayan, meron ditong train rail. Ayan, maganda pala yung Kitchener. Actually, first time kong nagpunta dito. Meron akong pamangkin nakatira sa Cambridge, which is like 10 to 15 minutes away from here. And ayan, pasensya na kayo ha, first time kong ginawa tong nagkwento-kwento ng ganito. Sana di bale, matututo din tayo later on. And yeah, salamat sa mga nanonood. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm so happy kahit hindi ganun kalaki yung views, pero sana later on lagi tayong magkasama. Ayan, malapit na kami, mga ilang minuto na lang siguro to. Well, actually, andito na ata kami. Ayan, nandito na kami. Chikopi. Yan ang pangalan ng tubing resort na to. Pero lagay sa kanya Pine Valley. But, yun nga, nung bumili kami ng ticket online, sa Chikopi website kami nagpunta. Ayan. Well, actually dito hindi namin alam na parking pala tong side na to. Which is sana nandito kami, nauna kami. Doon kami nag-park sa likod, all the way sa likod. Kaya medyo malayo kami. Hola! Kiss!
Hey, where's Molly and Butler?
Hola!
Hola, Dora. Where's Lourdes? Why are you wearing jeans?
Say hi to my vlog! Say hi to my vlog, Ola!
Hi, Ola. Where's Molly and
Ay,
Butler?
we didn't bring them. They can't stand the weather. So, look at this.
Can I have my snow pants?
Ito na kami. Magtutubing yung mga bagets. Kaya kami nandito. Ayan, oh, ready na sila. And this is Marky. Marky is so ready. We need to get the bag, my love.
My $2 food.
I love it. Is that the one we bought? Wow, it's nice, Bunso. Are you excited, my love? Oh my God, my Tim Horton coffee. I'll get it, my love, please. Thank you. Just open it. I'm gonna get it. Sayang ano. Kunin natin. Lamig. But it's better now. Kahapon ang ano is minus 13, but now it's minus 10. So we're good. Konti lang nabawas. Okay, let's go. Yun lang. Ang layo lang lalakarin papunta dun. But anyways, it's okay. First time namin samahan yung mga bata magtubing. Kasi si Kevin, first time niyang gagawin to. But si Marjorie, nagawa niya na yan when she first came here in Canada. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a parking. Fudge. We should have parked there, and it's a very good place. No, love.
Yep.
Rather than walking at the back. Ay, ay, ay. We didn't even notice that. You walk here, my love.
I noticed it, but I wasn't so I asked, is this parking? But we don't know. There's no signs indicating it.
I know. Are they here? It's Chikopi. Open it, please. Thank you, my love. Where are they? Oh, the fan bam is here. Getting ready? Baka naman matabunan ka ng snow pants mo.
Pulang-pula na. Nakita ka doon.
Sandali lang ako sa labas. Nangati na yung legs ko. Getting ready na kami. Si Marky.
Matikit na sa'yo.
Saan?
Sa email.
Oh, yeah.
Sit on that one.
Di ko ba na-transfer? Di ba binigyan ko kayo ng kanya-kanyang ano? Kasi kailangan yun i-scan nila. Yung kanya-kanyang nasa group natin.
Ay, yung waiver?
Ay, nagawa niyo yung waiver niyo? Okay, good. Ay,
Kevin did mine.
ay, dinumihan ko yung upuan. Teka nga, pili akong mga upuan. Everyone's getting ready here.
Come on, board. Come on, board.
Yay! Woohoo! We're here now! Our Pam Bam is complete!
Hello.
How are you? Happy birthday.
Me. Mwah. Tilane. Where's Jamie? Rico.
You guys have bags to take care of.
Yep. Oh my God. Are you?
Yep,
Yeah,
steady.
that is going, my love.
Well, that's why I said it should have gone in the car.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the car and put it in.
Do you wanna go, my love, and then move our car? I think that's better to move a little closer.
I don't know if we're getting spot stuff. Watch my coffee.
I can bring you to the car with the luggage.
Yeah, Dennis, you wanna move your car as well?
What's that? Where's your ninja man? I'm not staying. I have to go.
Dennis, you wanna move your car? Oh, you move our car. Let. You wanna move your car? He's moving his car, our car.
If there's space.
Yeah. Wala kang snow pants nila? Oh, suot mo na. Hey. Watch your step. Panik kami dito.
Oh, the deck is closed, so you can't go on the deck.
Oh, fudge. They close it.
Close the outside deck.
Why?
Well, because of the snow, they don't want.
No, how can we... How can we...
No, it looks like it's closed.
Maybe they're gonna open it later, my love. Yeah, because they're still... Maybe they're gonna open this later. Yeah, see, I told you, ate.
They're gonna have. Oh, it's an escalator.
Yeah, there is an escalator, my love. You just hold
As
on.
a kid, you didn't have escalators. You had to walk all the way up. By the time you walk up, you're like exhausted.
Ayan sila, oh. Ayun, escalator. Are they there already? My love?
Oh, they're really in somewhere. They're
They're there already?
Well, look, Lourdes' red pants.
Oh, yeah. She has the red pants.
And Marky with a red jacket.
No, they're not there yet.
I don't see them. I don't see red. Kevin's wearing a dark jacket, so you can't.
That's gonna be
I
fun.
see someone in red. That
No,
could be
I
Marky.
saw it, my love, no.
That could be Marky up there.
That's fun. Look at that.
Fun, I guess.
Yeah, that's fun.
So we used to go down and these things called a crazy carpet.
Yeah.
It was a piece of plastic, maybe 4 foot long,
Yeah.
no support.
When you were young, my love.
Yeah, they were called crazy carpets. So you used to lie down on them. Yeah,
That's how they
was
call
like-
it before,
was like
Tilen.
4 millimeters thick,
Uh-huh.
and you sat down there and it was like. A lot of kids got hurt on that thing.
A lot of kids got hurt.
And
Wala
then
pa
we had-
sila. They're
and
not
then
there
we
yet,
had-
right?
Then we had wooden toboggans. Or plastic toboggans.
I tried this, my first time doing this, Tilen, is with Bill and Jaylene.
Where?
Our family. When Jaylene first came here, that year, we went to Tubing. And I tried it.
And then
It's fun, but it's for my age now. I don't want to do it.
The bottom has these little.
your head will
You should have go. You should have go with them. Yeah, I should have tried, Tilen. You want me to buy tickets?
No, they're sold out. I saw the sign downstairs.
Oh, they're sold out now.
Don't walk in.
Oh man,
It's pretty fast, but I'm sure the bottoms are ridged, so they.
it's
don't-
fast over there, but it's gonna slow down.
Yeah, but the bottoms of the tubes have.
Yes, yeah.
It's
Uh,
not smooth. It's ridged to slow it down.
There's always an escalator, my love. The one that we tried in Blue Mountain. There's always like that.
Not us. We used to have to walk up.
Oh, that's this.
That was tough. It was tough.
Let's wait for them here. They're gonna come on this side. Because this is beginners. I'm gonna ask the lady if they're gonna open this. Yeah, so that we can enjoy outside. Hi. Is there any way you guys gonna open this later?
The deck usually stays closed because it's slippery, but it's at your own risk.
Yeah. So we can go out? Like,
Yeah.
okay, thank you. We can. Yeah. So at your risk because they don't open it because of the weather, right?
Pretty icy.
Yeah. So we can go out there to land. That would be fun.
And Bill said it's gonna snow this
Tonight.
Tonight?
I don't know.
This afternoon.
We can go outside because we're wearing this one. Come on, let's go. My love, you don't wanna go outside? Me and Tilan gonna go. Oo, buksan mo Tilan. Bukas na yan siguro. Down. Yep, there you go. Yes! Dahan-dahan ka ha. Madulas nga Tilan no, kasi snowy. Yay! Welcome! Dito, picture lang kita Tilan. Pag-picture na lang tayo dito. Kawawa mga bata, hindi makasali. Abangan natin sila Marge. Wala pa sila eh, oh. Ayan na, ang dami na nila.
Magkano na kayo? Hindi rin naman kayo magkakapagtuloy sa
Hindi, gusto nila sabay-sabay.
Ilang lahat?
Dami te, oh. Tuwan-tuwa ang Canadian. Ang dami nating snow this year. Ay! Ah! Ay! Ay, Diyos ko. Walang binagsakan. Dylan. Oh my God, buti walang binagsakan. Nalaglag yung aming water bottle. Marky!
Marky!
Sira ulo tayo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Asa si Marjorie Kevin na yun? Line up na sila. Ay, teka, ilalagay ko yung... Ay, oo, yan. Ay, hindi, nakaread si Lourdes eh. Hindi. Hindi pa yan sila. Asan ba sila?
Maganda pag tatlo.
Ayun, nakita ko nasa taas na sila.
Mabagal pag
Ayun,
tatlo.
oh. Ayun sila, oh. Sila Marjorie. Malapit na sila, Marge. Sa una ata sila eh. Oh, shoot, ang kamay ko. Tili, nawakan mo nga muna tong vlog ko. Ilalagay ko lang yung kamay ko. Sige.
Ay, natakpan ko.
Abangan na natin eh na sila. Yan, okay na ako. Okay na yung kamay ko.
Di ba naninigat?
Yan sila. Una, tatakban ng kamay namin. Pasensya na kayo. Ang daming pila, oh.
Hindi, mamaya. Bigyan mo kay March sa cellphone.
Tapos baba tayo, no? Picture lang tayo. Papa-picture lang kami. Tatayo lang tayo dito. Bawal ata eh. Meron naman silang pass checker eh. O, pwede kang bumabate. Ayun na ba sila? Is that them?
Merong ganon.
So, okay kang bumaba pero hindi ka makakapasok sa tubing site. Right? Oo. Kalang nahilo na sila, hindi nila makita to.
Ano na ba yan?
Yung nauna sila eh.
So bawal din sa bungad na bunga.
Correct. Well, actually pwede ka maglakad dito, but then hindi ka makakapasok dito sa may tubing area. Kasi ayun no, di ba may ticket checker. Ayun no, may nagche-check ng
Kaya dito lang yung mga mga nagsa-sightseeing dito lang. At saka magkakape-kape.
Yeah. Tulad niyan, no, wala kaming kape. Naubos na. Ay, meron kang baon. Ay, baon.
Kape tayo sa malamig na panahon.
Teka lang, naka-zoom ka, te. Pangit pag naka-zoom. Teka lang, abangan ko lang to sila Kikay. Is that them? Nanayat. Where are they? Teka lang nga. Dito kanta. There you go. Ayan na. Asa ba yung mag-asawa? Wala pa sila Marjorie. Nandito kami guys sa Kitchener, Ontario. Is that them? These two. Hindi mataba eh. hindi sila yan. Oh shoot, ang kamay ko naninigas. Oh Lord. Where are they? Oh my God. Don't tell me 5 sila agad sa isang, ayan na yung mag-asawa oh. Ay, ito na sila Marge. Ayun yung paa niyang kumakaway-kaway.
Ayan na sila.
Si Marge yan.
Nakatalikod sila.
Hello! Yung paa, nakita mo yung paa. Si Kika yun. Tuwan-tuwa eh. Hey. Tanungin natin yung experience sila paglapit dito. O, diba? Bago sila maka 2 rounds, 1 oras. Ayan na yung mag-ina, oh. Ayan na Tilan. Ayan na sila, Mark. Tuwan-tuwa ang lola. Oh my God. Wave! Good job! Abangan natin si Marjorie. Nasaan na si Marge? Ito si ate eh. Te, hindi pa nakaka-andar, hindi na makapagtulak. Hirap na siya. Nakita mo? At ang sapatos niya may ano pa. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, patawarin ako. O, tinan mo naka-heels. Bongga ka, te, ah. Maganda yung marami. Yun o, yung sabay-sabay sila. Yung limahan. O, yun o. Ganyan kami nila Jay eh. 5 kami. Si Marjorie, ako, si Bill. Oo, kapit-kapit kami. Katuwa. Eto dalawa. Asan na sila Kikay? O yun, 1 round pa lang sila. Ano, Tileni, ginaw na oh. Ano, Tilen, kaya mo pa?
Mahapdi sa mukha, no?
I know. Nag-ano ka ba? Moisturizer ka?
Oo.
Huwag mo na pasinin yung tumutulog kong uhuga. hindi ko na mapahiran. Bahala na kayo. Tingnan niyo yung kamay ko, guys. Walang pula na, oh. Makapag-vlog lang. Teteng. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayan si Marge. Oh, interview. Ano? Isa pa?
Ganun pa kayo na paa, ha?
Isa pa? Isa pa. Oh, tingin kayo dito. Tingin. Kevin. Tingin. Tingin kayo. Wave. No. Oh, nanigas na si Marge. Ay! Dahil lang, kuya. Ikaw naman.
Kevin, patingin naman ang mukha mo.
Itong matanda na to, hirap-hirap alagaan. Dito muna tayo. Meron naman pala nito eh. Diyos ko, day. Tayo dito tayo. Woo! Oh, diba? Meron naman pala dito eh. Oh, at least kita pa namin sila. Picture lang kita, Jassy, down. Sige, dyan ka. Ito naming bisita namin sa Canada eh, oh.
Welcome to Canada.
Oh, di ba? Lapit tayo sa kanila. Kala nyo ah. Oh, ayan yung dalawa. Hinitan ka.
Ang hirap ang makiat.
Sila Lourdes andun pa. Ayan si Tilen, oh. Ayaw niya sumakay. Gustuin man namin, wala na kaming ticket na mabili, sold out na. Sure natin habang nanonood. Ina na naiwan yung tube at si Tileni ang gumamit. Kaya pa?
Laro na, tata.
Kaya pa?
Okay na, para magamit natin tong ating ano.
Salamat kay ate na
Sige na, makipila ka na doon.
Wala sa kaya niya. Meron naman ako nito. Sige, nakalibre kami ng 35 bucks.
Try mo rito, kanina, yung katulad kanina.
Ang nakakatakot, baka biglang may lumapit na staff. Hilahin tayo palabas, Tilen.
Whee!
Nakita mo yung ano ko dito, yung luha? Ayun guys, so lumuluha ako, hindi ko alam. Oh God. Tago na natin to, Tilen. Huwag na natin pakita sa kanya.
Sige, mag-slide ka dyan. Kahit paano, ma-experience mo lang. Dito ka banda.
Pag sumiyot ako doon, diretso to sunog to. Na-experience ko
Doon
na
ka
yun,
banda.
eh. Ikaw kaya, na-experience ko na yan.
Pumunta ka doon. Yan. Huwag niyo sa may upuan naman.
Basa natin. Ay, nakatingin sila sa akin. Sinaulo ng babae.
Sabi nila, mas gusto mo ng babae doon.
Doon. Kasi malamig. Akin na ako
Oh.
naman din.
Kaya kami nandito kasi mainit dito.
Oo, sarap.
Oh.
Yung nga lang yung lungs namin sunog
Oh.
kasi naamoy namin lahat.
Sige na, try mo one time lang.
Ayoko nga. Ikaw kaya ako mag-video.
Teka, tatry ko.
Try mo. Kaya. O yan, tatry niya raw na sumakay. Basta hawakan mo yung paa mo na ano ha, makontrol mo siya. Go little, up more. Up first, doon ka te. Sinamantala ka. It's okay. Oh, tingnan mo, dediretso pa yung tube mo doon.
Okay lang po. Takot ako doon eh. Nakakahingal po.
I know. Nakailang rounds ka na ba?
Nakadadalawa pala. Sabi ko, pahinga muna.
Asa yung mga kasama mo nandoon? Okay. Pag mga bata sila, okay lang.
Saka ano din po, yung ano nila,
Mabagal, no?
hindi po
Madulas? Madulas?
na-outbalance niya ako eh. Yung mama nga po, umano eh.
Ay, shoot. Yung escalator. Oo. Di ba ano naman yun? Goma?
Opo. Pero ano kasi siya
Basa.
hindi siya patag.
O kasi pataas eh. Yeah.
Yung ilalim,
Pero may hawakan.
yung ano, kahoy po sa side. Yung
Oh, okay. Oo. That's a accident pag nagkataon.
ano ka,
Hindi rin, Tim. Kahit naganyan ka.
medyo, ano, umaalan-alin yung
Hi, baby!
po siya.
Hindi kayo magpapahinga? Oh my God, no daw. Pang ano niya na yan? 4 times. No, 4. 4, baby. I'm counting you. Gosh.
Ano po eh, sa Bari, mas malapit po sa ano.
Sa Blue Mountain. Malapit sa Blue Mountain.
Hindi.
Snow Valley, right? Yeah.
Di ba doon sumasakay?
Oo.
Mas sabi nung anak ko, kasi may schedule din, meron sila ano din sa Monday eh. Mas maganda daw po doon.
Oo, mas mataas doon. Tsaka may mababa doon, Tilen. May pambata.
Oh, may bata doon nga lang sa Bari naman sila sa Bari.
Mm-mm.
Kaya lang ano eh, wala na pong Monday sila, 11 o'clock. Eh wala na pong schedule namin. Meron po 5 o'clock. Eh, sabi ko anak, gabi na. Nilagang baka tayo.
Yan, nire-replace nila yung ano, firewoods sa fire pit. Buti dry yung ano nila, no? Kahoy. O, si Tilen, oh, may dala ka bang pang ano dyan? Grill? Tingnan mo paano bugsa. Meron. Nainlock na.
And then, yeah, I went up because I wanted to walk.
Diba?
Yung iba hindi na makapag-intay dahil naglalakad din.
Pwede ba yon?
Opo.
Ay, pwede.
Hirap din ho.
Papanik sila manually. Ay, wala, mahirap yun. Ang dami ng tao. Oh. Parang yung mga anak namin di naaalis dito. Tilen, parang yung mga tao natin di naaalis.
Videoan mo ako,
Makikipila ka, sige. Makikipila to, sandali. I-short natin. Sige, pila lang. Pila na, makikipila na siya. Yun sila Marjorie, pang ano na nila, parang panlimang try na nila. Nga pala, for your information, pag kumuha ng ticket dito, per hour yan. So, binigyan sila, we came here at 9 o'clock. And, ang isang tao is $35. Then, meron kang 2 hours to tubing. Then, after that, tapos na. So, kaya sinusulit na nila, walang break. Kasi 2 hours lang. Then, may time slot kasi sa dami nga ng tao. Hindi pwedeng unlimited. You only pay 35 for 2 hours. Ayan. Dito yan sa Chipoki, Kitchener, Ontario. Yan, tapos na sila. Anong experience?
Snow pala?
Anong experience?
I didn't know it's snowing.
Oh my God. Ayan ang gang. Tapos na sila. Napagod ba kayo? Interview natin to. Napagod ka ba?
Hindi, okay lang, but I'm getting cold.
Okay. Good. Ikaw, Tile, napagod ka ba?
Gutom!
O, Jaylin, kinugutom ang nanay mo. Eh, you, my love, did you enjoy it?
Sure.
He doesn't like cold. He didn't survive. We're going to Montana's in Burlington, and we're gonna eat lunch there with these crazy monsters.
Alam nila pag na ano ka mo. Wala lang. Iba yung kulay ng kasunay.
Marky, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah. Good.
Not yet. I haven't done that.
Kita tayo mamaya sa Montanas. Okay, family, sit down. Marky, what's this? Marky, what's that?
Cotton candy.
Look at Tita.
Hi.
And then,
Pagdating na lang kay Denny.
family.
That's disgusting. You eat carrots? I'm so proud.
Kunin ko na to ah. Nakalawlaw siya eh.
Again.